everybody, welcome back to my channel. I was in the middle of filming a dark fall makeup tutorial. I was in Ulta last night and I saw like this little stand of Casey Holmes, who is one of my favorite YouTubers, along with this brand Essence that I've actually never tried before. So I guess they did a collab together and I picked up two things from it. I picked up the mascara and their highlight and blush palette. So I wanted to do a quick review on it, and yeah, so if you guys want to see what I think about the new collaboration between Casey Holmes and Essence, then please keep watching. With some setting powders, and I think I saw 4 different shades. She came out with 2 blush and highlight palettes. They're $10 each, so I only got one. This one because it had like a really bright orange. It was just really pretty. So she came out with 2 of these. She came out with a mascara, so I picked up this one. It's in the shade Peachy Keen. So it looks like this. It's really pretty, and then when you open it, it has 2 blushes and 2 highlights. I love this orange one. I don't know if it's coming out as bright as it is on camera. I can't really tell, but it's like a bright orange. It's so pretty. I don't have any type of orange shades. And this one is like more of a darker blush, which I really love. And then 2 highlight shades. It's called Just Peachy. This shade is called Berry Beautiful. And this one is called Time to Glow. And this one is called Golden Glow. No, Golden Girl. And it says XOXO Casey. So I think I'm going to take Berry Beautiful, this dark shade, since I'm going for a dark fall tutorial. And I'm going to take some of this. Oh, wow. Wow, it's like this gorgeous dark berry color. I love how it looks with this dark look. I think I want to put a little on my nose, like that. And then for highlight, I'm going to do Golden Girl, this one right here. You can see it in the camera how stunning that is. That is gorgeous. I thought it was a little bit more golden, but I feel like I'm seeing a little pink, and I feel like you have to like really dig in there to get it out. But I also like how it's very you can't go overboard with this, because I feel like it's it comes out very light. Like my Ofra one, one tap I can go crazy with highlight. This, it's very easy to apply. Yes. Oh man, my fan has been on this whole time. Fan has been on high this entire time, so if it's hard to hear before, I'm sorry. And then the next thing I got was her mascara, so I want to try it out. This is what it looks like. It's purple. It's very pretty, chic. You pull it out and it's one of those thick ones. I'm gonna go to the side because I have such a dark shadow and I feel like you can't even see it. But look how long my lashes look. And they're so pretty. See, I'm to the side so you can see. So I really like it. I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then I will come back with my final thoughts. I am back, and let's get into my final thoughts. So the palette was $10 and the mascara was $4.99. I actually really love both of them. I love the blush. I love the orange one too. It just didn't go well with this look. And even though the highlight isn't like a golden, it's so gorgeous. It's so iridescent. I just love how this came out, and I love this highlighter here as well. I swatched it. It's just, I think this is great for $10. You're getting 2 blushes and 2 highlights that are actually really good quality. The mascara, I like it. It's definitely not my hands down favorite mascara in the entire world, just because I personally prefer, like, for example, the L'Oreal, not the Telescopic, the L'Oreal Voluminous one and the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. If you know those mascaras, when you pull it out, there's just so much product on it, and that some people actually don't like those mascaras because it's too clumpy. I personally love those mascaras. I like that clumpiness, but this is so good because it does remove all that for those who don't like it. So it definitely made a very natural lash. I definitely could have made my lashes longer with the clumpier one. That's just how I am. But for $4.99 for $5, I mean, this is not a bad mascara. It's good. My personal preference is a little bit more like clumpy and messy, and you know, that's just me. Everyone has different preference. But for $5, I don't think it's bad at all. So both of these came to $15, and I was able to use my what is it? What was the coupon? I was able to use my coupon for $3.50 off $15. So I got this like for almost 11 bucks kind of. And yeah, so I think it's a great deal, and congratulations Casey Holmes on the new collaboration. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this review, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.